We'll guide you through how to measure distances in Figma. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, open Figma on your computer. Click Login with Browser on the Start screen. After selecting this option, you will automatically be redirected to your browser to complete the login process. On the login page, choose the login method you want to use, for example, continue with Google. Then select the account you normally use to sign into Figma so the system can verify your identity. Once the authentication process is finished, click Open the desktop app to return to the Figma desktop application. After the application opens, locate and open the Figma file where you want to measure distances between objects in your design. Next, click the object or frame on the canvas that you want to measure from. This object will act as the reference point for the spacing measurement. After selecting the object, hold the Alt key on your keyboard. While holding this key, move your cursor toward another object on the canvas, for example, the product information text on the design card. As you move the cursor, Figma will automatically display distance measurements between the selected object. These measurements usually appear as visual guides, showing the horizontal or vertical spacing between elements. This feature helps designers maintain consistent layout spacing. You can also perform the same step with other objects in the design. For example, select the frame and move the cursor toward the product photo while still holding the Alt key. Figma will automatically display the distance measurement between the frame and the product photo. This allows you to quickly check whether the spacing matches your design layout requirements. You can also repeat the same method with the product information text and the button, or with the product photo. Simply select the object you want to measure from and move the cursor toward the target element while holding the Alt key. Figma will automatically display the distance measurements between the product information text and the button, or between the text and the product photo. In addition to measuring object spacing, you can also check the spacing or gap between text elements, as shown in the video. By using this measurement feature, you can ensure that all elements in your design maintain consistent spacing and alignment across the entire layout.